How to remove green screen in Final Cut Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your project file and select the clip where you have green screen. And currently we are selecting this one because it looks like green, so you would know exactly how we can do it. Simply click on the option of effects on the bottom right hand side and then search for keyer over here, K-E-Y-E-R, and then drag and drop it on top of this, and this is how it will appear after that. Now if you want to remove it, you can just simply uncheck it and this is how it will appear. And if you want to play around with different settings of it, then you can just simply play around over here. In case if you want to invert it, you can do that as well. In case if you want to remove some other color, then you can simply click on this option of sample color and then select that particular color in order to remove it. And this is how you would be able to remove the green screen in Final Cut Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.